In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an Android phone camera not working. First, let's restart your phone. Press and hold the power button until you see the options on your screen. This is typically at the bottom right corner. Now tap Restart. Restarting your phone is a simple yet effective step. It clears temporary glitches that may be affecting the camera function. Once your phone powers back on, open the camera app again. This quick action can resolve many common issues and is always worth a try. Next, we will force close the camera app. Start by opening Settings on your device. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Once in Settings, tap on Apps. From there, find and tap on Camera. You'll notice an option that says Force Stop. Tap on it. This action completely shuts down the camera app, ensuring that any running processes that may cause the malfunction are halted. After you've done this, reopen the camera app. You may find that it functions properly now, as this step often refreshes the app's processes. Now let's clear the camera cache. Go back to Settings and tap on Apps again. Select the camera app like before. This time tap on Storage. You will see an option that says Clear Cache. Tap on it. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that can sometimes lead to issues. After performing this step, open the camera app. This process is important because it can resolve bugs that may be caused by corrupted cache data, giving your camera a fresh start. After that, we will clear the camera data. Again, go to Settings and tap on Apps. Locate the camera app. Tap on Storage one more time. This time, select the option that says Clear Data. A warning may appear telling you that this will delete all data associated with the app. This is a crucial step as it resets the app to its original state. Once you've cleared the data, open the camera app again. This step can solve deeper issues that a simple cache clear cannot, restoring the app to its default settings. Now we need to check the camera permissions. Open Settings again and tap on Apps. Navigate to the camera app as you have done previously. Look for an option labeled Permissions and tap on it. Ensure that all camera permissions are allowed. This is vital because without the correct permissions, the camera cannot function properly. After adjusting the permissions, you can reopen the camera app. Proper permissions ensure that the app has full access to the necessary functions, which can resolve many operational problems. Following these steps methodically can help restore your camera functionality. Remember, troubleshooting can sometimes take a few attempts, so don't get discouraged. If the camera still does not work after trying all of these methods, there may be a hardware issue. At that point, consider consulting a professional or reaching out to customer support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your camera.